Hi everyone, this is the Aerospace Science channel. The Qassam rocket is a simple, steel artillery rocket developed and deployed by the Izz ad-Din al-Qassam brigades, the military arm of Hamas. Since the rocket was first manufactured in 2001 by Tito Massoud and Nadal Farhat, 3 models of the Qassam rocket have been produced and used. More generally, all types of Palestinian rockets fired into southern Israel, for example the Palestinian Islamic Jihad al-Quds rockets, are called Qassams by the Israeli media, and often by foreign media. Many of the rocket's components are made of common materials such as sugar, fertilizer, firearms cartridges, springs, nails, and steel cylinders. Hamas launched the first Qassam-1 rocket attack in October 2001, during the Second Intifada. The first time Palestinians launched rockets into Israel, rather than at an Israeli settlement in the Gaza Strip, occurred on February 10, 2002. The Qassam rocket is the best-known type of rocket deployed by Palestinian militants, mainly against Israeli civilians, but also some military targets during the Second Intifada of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Thank you for watching this video.